Prah, 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 and Simbana, Prah, Padembana, Prah. I think now they are going out. They are going to enjoy. They are going to celebrate. They are going to cheers with the people. Let's go, Dr. Ricky. Your name is so nice also. Wow. My favorite is here coming up. Ardent, President Ardent, the one wearing cap, guys, is the one who inspired me about this party. Yes, hello guys, hello PAITBAH, welcome all, hello Paralog. Welcome back all, this is your African boy Gabs Gabi, guys. Congrats Meghalaya, congrats VPP, congrats HA U PRAH, guys. So yes, you know the vibe now in Meghalaya. It is a peaceful and happiest moment for all the Meghalayan, especially the VPP supporters, guys. So I'm so curious to be sharing with you all the moment, the winning and the song of the VPP, guys. And I'm also learning, like for me it's just now I feel like I'm in Meghalaya, guys, because all my channel mostly is 90% about Meghalayan. So it's about Khasi song, and today we are going to check the victory, like what happened after the VPP won, guys. So we are going to see some vibe, and you know guys, also I have one doubt about this guy, and in this video only I will clear out what was my misunderstanding, guys. So let's check it out. And congrats, did you subscribe or not? You have to subscribe because I am also supporting HA U PRAH, guys. Love from Africa, let's do it. Okay, so here is the new, see him, the new party, the new boss, the new legend, the new doctor by the name Ricky. But you know, my favorite guy is the one this side. Yeah, my favorite is the president Ardent, right? President Ardent. This is the guy who made me to love this party, President Ardent, guys. Yeah. Wow, what a big happiness, guys. What a big joy. Wow, he looks so humble, guy. He really looks so humble, and he looks so smart. He looks also so young. He's clicking videos of the fun of the people. See, he's the one clicking video himself. HA U PRAH, HA U PRAH, HA U PRAH, and Simbana, HA U PRAH, Padembana, HA U PRAH. I think now they are going out. They are going to enjoy. They are going to celebrate. They are going to cheers with the people. Let's go, Dr. Ricky. Your name is so nice also. Wow. My favorite is here coming up. Ardent, President Ardent, the one wearing cap, guys, is the one who inspired me about this party. Let's celebrate. Let's go out. Let's go to the people. Let's go, Mr. Ricky. Let's go and cheer the people. Celebrate. They made it. They made you proud also. HA U PRAH, HA U PRAH. Woo, let's do this. Guys, I think Meghalaya looks so safe, guys. See, like, I don't see so much of security there. I don't see so much. Wait, I will stop. Let me speak something, guys. Up to now, like, up to this moment, guys, like, I feel something. This guy, Dr. Ricky, guys, from the way he looked, Like, I'm not judging by the look, but I'm pretty sure he's a humble guy. Believe me, he's a humble guy. I can just predict, I can guess that he look humble. And I can tell you that, guys, my favorite, someone who inspired me about the VPP, it is President Arden, guys. I love his personality. I love the way this guy speak. Before, I don't know about Ricky, like Dr. Ricky, guys. Only after this election, I came to know he's the one becoming the CM, the chief minister. I was thinking, um, President Arden is the one, because I used to find his video, this guy speaking in the parliament, addressing the citizen of Meghalaya, guys. The way he speaks is really so inspiring. Our PRAH. Let's continue, guys. They made it, all of them. They made it, guys. Peace, 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 peace to you all. Vinicius JR, let's do it. Hala Madrid, hala Opera, a Opera, a Madrid, a Opera, a Madrid, a Opera, a Opera. Opera is the new way. Man, Mavali, what does it mean by Mavali? I think this is early in the morning. Yeah, this is morning. I think they are going outside now to the road. So amazing. Wow, now they are meeting the citizen. Wow, see the love. See the people waiting. They are waiting for you. They are waiting for the person they choose. Wow, how happy are they now? Oh, PRAH. You made it, guys. You made it. Congrats, congrats, congrats. So many people waiting out, guys. It's so hard for them even to know. That is so lovely. Wow. Wow. You can see the grandparents are also there. Let's dance, bro. Let's dance. This is so much of love I can see, guys. Wow, this is so amazing, guys. This is so beautiful. Seeing the citizen celebrating their joy. This is their own joy, guys. It's just like you hope and you prayed for something and it happened. So this is what is happening in Meghalaya, guys, and I'm pretty sure every Meghalayan is happy, guys. Most of them, they are really happy for what they choose, guys, and I have nothing much to say. I'm just so happy to see you people like achieving what you want, because from my reaction video, guys, for our PRAH song, I saw a lot of comments, and I came to know that most of the people, they want this party to rule Meghalaya, because this they know, I'm pretty sure they know the reason behind that, and I'm just wishing that everything should go well. I'm praying, wishing, and hoping everything should go well according to the all Meghalayan citizen. Wishing you guys all the change and improvement, development, peace, most important, and love, guys. Love from Africa. Also, thank you so much, guys. Our PRAH VPP forever, guys. Hope this government will do and will make it happen according to your wish. And may God bless all the Meghalayan. God bless Dr. Ricky and President Ardent for making the dream to come true. So God bless you all. Love from Africa. Kindly subscribe my channel, guys. I do regularly reaction on Meghalaya, especially the music and yeah, the other videos which are trending and whatever related and important, guys. And next week also, guys, we are releasing the foreign version of Jali Jado. Make sure to subscribe this channel, put on the bell. This is what all I need. A opera kondeng bana a opera maina a opera mensim jonga a opera. Till next time.